We're going to compare the personal loans from Axos and Truist. We spent years working in the lending industry and we tracked dozens of lenders. We want to break down these two lenders so that you can see which one might be better for your situation. The first thing that we're going to look at is the loan amounts that they offer. Axos doesn't offer less than $7,000, so they aren't going to be the option to fill short-term emergencies. Truist doesn't lend less than $3,500. That's still higher than a lot of lenders, so if you're looking for just a little bit of money, neither of these banks is probably your best bet. But Truist has the lower amount, so we're going to highlight them. If you're looking for a more substantial amount of money, Axos lends up to $50,000, and Truist lends up to $100,000. Again, Truist wins for the top amount. Axos doesn't lend for terms shorter than 3 years, but they don't have a prepayment penalty, so you can always pay off the loan early. Truist will lend between 2 and 5 years. Common to a lot of banks, Axos and Truist cater to people with excellent credit, or in Truist's case, at least good credit. I am guessing that you would struggle to get approved by either of these banks if your credit score was not higher than, say, 660. But they probably don't make a decision based on credit score. So the only way to know whether you would be approved with your specific credit profile is to apply. Now let's take a look at the cost of the two loans. The minimum APR for Axos is 11.79%, and for Truist, it's 9.62%. Getting an APR below 10% is not easy these days, so Truist gets highlighted. Axos' top APR is 20.84%, while Truist's top is 17.40%. So Truist wins the top number as well. Axos charges an origination fee between 1 and 2%. That's a really low origination fee. Low enough, actually, that I wonder why they would bother to have one at all. Truist, on the other hand, doesn't charge an origination fee at all, so they win that category as well. The origination fee is accounted for in the APR. The APR is the origination fee plus the interest rate. So if you get a low APR, but you still have an origination fee, keep in mind that APR will include the origination fee. Neither one of these lenders will allow you to include a cosigner or co-applicant to your loan. A cosigner can boost your chances of being approved, especially if they have a strong credit profile. Axos will charge a $15 fee if you are late with one of your payments. If they attempt to draw your payment using ACH authorization and the payment fails, they will also charge you a fee. This is where Truist is not terribly forthcoming. It is not at all clear if they charge a late fee or any other fees. That's a little concerning. I am going to give the late fee category to Axos because $15 isn't egregious, but I am not going to assign the other fees because $25 failed payment fee is actually quite high. If you are using the loan to consolidate credit card balances or other debt, Axos will not use the loan proceeds to pay off your other debts for you directly. It is not clear whether Truist will do that or not. I like it when companies do that because they understand that the loan is meant to replace your other debts and not just stack on top of them. The fact that neither of these companies will do it probably means that it would be harder to get approved by them if you want a loan for the purpose of consolidating debt. Let's summarize what we've learned about the personal loans offered by Axos and Truist. You can see that Truist wins most categories, but I struggle to give them a full-throated recommendation because they just aren't very clear about their policies. That is actually a rare thing for a bank. They are usually the most clear about things, so it is a bit of a yellow flag in my book. Even though we aren't seeing much green on the Axos side, I don't think they look bad. As is often the case, the most important issue is whether you can get the money that you need at the lowest possible price. If Axos can do that, there's no reason not to use them. Before you accept a loan, you should shop around. Find the best deal. You may not qualify for one, yet still qualify for an even better option. You just never know. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our marketplace page, you can apply to any one of our featured lenders, and behind the scenes, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of the approved offers so that you can pick the loan that's best for you. If you have any questions about either one of these lenders that we didn't cover, leave a comment below and we'll try to answer it. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.